How to remove admin from Facebook page. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can remove admin from Facebook page, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to remove admin from your Facebook page, you can try opening the Facebook application here. And then first of all, tap the menu icon from the top right, and first of all make sure to switch to the page on which you want to remove someone's access. So you need to be an admin of that page and you need to select that page and make sure you log into that page's profile here. And once you go ahead and log into that page's profile, again what you want to do is tap the three lines option here, and then from here tap this little settings icon from the top right, which is the gear icon. Then from here go to this option called page settings. And after you come to the page settings tab, if you scroll down here under the new pages experience, you'll find the option called page access, and make sure to tap on it. When you tap on page access, over here you'll be able to see a list of people that have access to this Facebook page. So now all you have to do is just tap the three dots option next to the profile that you want to remove, and then you can see what kind of access they have. So you can tap on view access and you can see they have this access which has partial control. So now you can tap the three dots, tap on remove from page, make sure to enter your profile password, which means your page's password, and then now you can tap the confirm option, and after that your admin will get successfully removed from Facebook page. This way you can remove an admin from Facebook page. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.